My name is Britton. I'm the Tower Cranes Operations Manager for Statom Group. Installing these cranes involves a lot of communication with local councils, communities, our clients with regard to the transport of the units, the installation, any noise. We have implications with restricted hours. So there's a lot of involvement and a lot of planning goes into the install of these cranes. All the investments in our tower crane fleet have been driven by the requirements for our sites and for our clients. We have specific machines for specific jobs, luffing cranes for certain areas where we've got restricted airspace, or the traditional flat top cranes for a more wide open site. Currently where we are, we have the best of both worlds. So we have two new machines fresh out the factory, one behind me at the moment. It's just been erected specifically for this site, including anti-collision systems, zoning systems and cameras for the safety of use on site. That's something now we carry across all our machines on all sites. All of these investments have aided us to become a market leader and help support our clients and their projects.